It's a morning like any other. Yet, stroke is a silent threat, striking without warning, changing lives in an instant. Every minute, he will lose 2 million neurons. The clock is ticking, and he only has 3 hours to get to a hospital before he's no longer eligible for treatment. But even if he makes it on time, treatment is only available for 15% of patients. For 1/3 of stroke victims, the outcome is fatal. But for those who survive, it is often just the beginning of a lifelong battle against disability.
Stroke is the leading cause of long-term disability among adults. It affects more than 100 million people that suffer from movement impairment, speech disorders, and cognitive function.
At IGMUB, we aim to fight stroke. So this is why we are developing Reneurish, a revolutionary cell therapy designed to regenerate damaged brain tissue.
Unlike current treatments, with Reneurish, we extend the therapeutic window for up to 6 days, giving a new opportunity for stroke patients. We are working on a safe therapy, aimed at recovering the damaged regions of the brain while enhancing synapse plasticity and minimizing the functional loss of the patient. By genetically engineering stem cells to produce BDNF, a natural human protein, we will increase the efficiency of neural transplants. This will mean that the cells will integrate better into the brain of the patient, the cell activity will increase, and we will minimize cell death.
Our work at IGMUB is more than science. It's about restoring the simple, everyday moments that matter, giving stroke survivors the chance to reclaim their lives.